Hello dear learners, I am Utkarsh Bhat, Assistant Professor at dtss College of Commerce, Autonomous. In this session, I am going to discuss about data types in C programming, basic data type, derived data type, user-defined data type, and its example type conversion. First, see definition of data types in a C programming language. Data type definition: each variable in C has an associated data type. It specifies the type of data that the variable can be stored, like an integer, character, floating, double, etc. C is a statistically typed language where each variable type must be specified at the declaration at once specified. It cannot be changed. Following diagram shows the various data type in a C programming language. Data type in a C, there are three types are there: basic data types, derived data types, user defined data types. In basic data types, integer, float, double, char, bool, void. In the derived data types, array, pointer, function, and user defined types is a union, structure, and enumerations. First, we will discuss the basic primary data types in a C. Integer data type. Store the whole number, positive, negative, or 0. We use int keyword to declare the integer variable. Size 4 bytes. Range -2 147 483 6482 2147 483 647. Format specifier is %t. Format specifiers are the symbols that are used for printing and scanning the value of a given data types. Let's see the example. Hash include stdio.h, integer main, bracket, int var equal to 22, printf var equal to %d, double quote, comma, var, bracket complete, semicolon, return 0, semicolon, closing bracket. So output is what? 22. Now see the character data type. Stores a single character like A, B, or pi in a single quotation. Size is 1 byte. Range -128 to 127. Assigned by default. Format specifier is %c. For example, hash include stdio.h, int main, opening bracket, char, ch, a in a single quote, semicolon, printf, double quote, ch equal to %c, double quote, comma, ch, bracket complete, semicolon, return 0. So output is what? Ch is equal to a, because ch is a character a for a single quotation. Next type is a float data type. Store decimal number with fractional part. Its size is 4 bytes. Approximate range 3.4e 38 to 3 plus 4e plus 38. Format specifier is %f. Let's see the example. Hash include stdio.h, int main, opening bracket, float val equal to 12.45. Printf val is equal to %f. This is a format specifier, comma, val, return 0. So output is what? Val is equal to 12.45000. Next data type is a double data type. Store the decimal number with more precision than float. Size is 8 bytes. Approximate range is 1.7e minus 3082 plus 1.7e plus 3.308. Its format specifier is %1f. For example, hash include stdio.h, int main, opening bracket, double val is equal to 1.4521, semicolon, printf val is equal to %1f, double quote complete, comma, val, return 0. So the value of that will be printed 1.452100. So next type is a void data types. Represent no value or empty type. Use in a function that do not return any value. Can also be used for generic pointers, void star, in a memory operations. Let's see the example of void data type. Hash include stdio.h, void greet. It's a function with void return type. Printf hello, comma, welcome, /l, double quote, complete, bracket complete, semicolon. Integer main, greet, return 0. So greet is a function. It call in a main function. So hello, welcome will be the print, because in this function we have to write the hello welcome message. So it will be print. Size of data types in a C. The size of the data type in a C is a depend on the size of the architecture. So we cannot be define the universal size of the data type. For that, the C language provide the size of operator to check the size of the data type. Let's see the example. Hash include stdio.h integer main. So opening bracket first, use size of to know the size the data types. Print a double quote the size of int %d/n. So directly use the function size of int. Again the size of char, size of char, size of float, size of float, size of double %d, size of double. So output will be like this. The size of integer 4, the size of character 1, the size of float 4, the size of double 8. Different data types also have a different ranges up to which any vary from compiler to compiler. So next, type conversion in a C. In a C, type conversion is the process of changing one data type into another. This can happen automatically by the compiler or manually by the programmer. Type conversion is only performed between data types where such a conversion is possible. If in a C, type conversion refers to the process of converting one data type to another. It can be done automatically by the compiler or manually by the programmer. The type conversion is only performed to those data types where conversion is possible. Let's see the example. Hash include stdio.h, hash include stdbool.h, integer main bool x is equal to true, integer y is equal to x. Automatic type conversion from bool to int. So bool x is a boolean type and y is an integer type. They will be convert automatically conversions for the bool to integers. Same thing you can be do in a manual type conversions from bool to integer. Bool z is equal to bool of y. Printf x %d/n x, printf y %d/n y, printf z %d z, return 0. So output is there, x equal to 1, y equal to 1 and z equal to 1. So now here end the session. Thank you all of you.